I'm Mari Carkle with My ABI on City Hall, and we're here with Leslie Andrews. She is a Community Services Director for that department here with the city, and we're coming to you from Minter Park in downtown Abilene to talk to you about the changes that are coming to Minter Park here once we plow through the holiday season.
Yes.
So thanks for being with us, Leslie. Tell us about Minter is going to have a whole new look.
Yes, it is. We're very excited. It'll start after the first of the year. And really what we're going to do is it's going to be almost a complete revamp. We're almost going to pull everything out, take everything down to ground level.
Okay.
So, you know, wheelchairs, walkers, you know, anybody can access the park. We will have a water feature again.
That's
so
exciting.
no one to worry. We think it'll take probably about 4 or 5 months for the actual construction. So we're hoping to be open in May sometime, but that's still kind of up for negotiation.
Mother Nature, weather,
Mother Nature,
all that
yes.
stuff. What I like about the plans is that have no fear too that this is still very much like a downtown city park with what's going to be happening.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not like we're a total reconfiguring. So tell us a little bit about the space and the design that it's meant for people to come and have little performances and that kind of thing.
Right. We're keeping all of the trees. We're trying to keep the feel of it being a memorial park. But we are bringing it, because downtown is growing and so many restaurants and things are coming in downtown, some of the things we're putting in are some limestone stools.
Oh, cool.
So that people can sit. There's some will be higher, some will be lower, so you can sit and put your computer on one or sit and have lunch on one. We will also have tables, tall tables out, especially during the lunchtime hour, but those can be removed for special events where the limestone seating will be permanent. We will have limestone bubblers, so there will always be water flowing, as well as a new water curtain, which will be new to Abilene, which I'm very excited about.
Yeah. Okay. I wanted to dive in more about what this means with the new age fancy water curtains that are out there. Tell us a little bit about those features.
Well, what the water curtain is basically it's a very thin sheet of water. But the way you can design it is it can have logos in there, it can have shapes in there, it can have designs and patterns. You know, it can say Merry Christmas or, you know, Happy 4th of July. You know, there's all kinds of things that we can do. You know, if somebody tries to go into the water, it will turn itself off.
Oh, okay.
So it's really just more for design. But if there is, one of the things that's going to be out here, which is new, is a stage. I mean, it'll be a small stage, but it'll be a stage. So if there's a small band that wants to play, or a one-act play, or you know, some of all the different theater groups here in Abilene, if they want to come and do something, we can turn the water curtain off and just have the bubblers going in the background.
Oh, nice. And so it will really look pretty without the curtain
Correct.
going. Okay, awesome. And as far as cost, this has been a collaboration between different groups and different sort of pots of money. Tell us a little bit how that's working out.
This is going to be close to a $500,000 project. There is some TERS money going into the project. There's some private donations that are going into the project. There's a little bit of MIP funds or minor improvement funds that'll be going into it, as well as some grant money.
Oh, cool.
And what the grant money is going to pay for is a limestone backdrop behind the water curtain. So if we wanted to turn the water curtain off and show a movie, you could do that. So like part of CAF Festival, they could have an outdoor movie or something like that. We will have lights and projectors, security, all of those things that are grant funded as well.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't even think that was a possibility. Well, this is really fun.
It is.
And Mother Nature permitting, hopefully we'll be able to maybe have it out and ready for CAF this year.
Yes, that is our goal.
Awesome. Well, if you have any questions or concerns about what's happening at Minter, just contact Community Services.
Yes, that is correct.
Get all that online. Just find that online, abilenetx.gov. And we look forward to it.
So do we.
Awesome. Thank you, Leslie.
Thank you.
Again, the website, abilenetx.gov.